Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of HSCRP ELISA kit. So as you can see, this is the Calbiotech HSCRP ELISA kit. You can see this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit, and let me show you the sides. So this is the highly sensitive C-reactive protein HSCRP ELISA kit. You can see the reference number here, CR375C. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. It's a 96 well plate ELISA kit. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see the kit contains coated well plates, the control, the standard set, the enzyme conjugate, the wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, the certification of analysis. You can also see that the manufacturing address is present here. It is manufactured by Calbiotech in California, USA. You can see all the other details present over here. So at the other side you can see this is a Immunoassay kit. It is manufactured in USA. You can see the manufacturing address over here. And so guys, let me open this kit for you. Okay, so as you can see on the top, you can find the Calbiotech highly sensitive C-reactive protein IFE brochure of it. So this is the Calbiotech CRP IFE brochure. So you can see the catalog number here, CR375C. It's a 96 well plate ELISA kit. So after that you can see the certification of analysis for the kit. You can see this is the Calbiotech HSCRP certification of analysis. You can cross check with the lot number and the catalog number present. So this is the certification of analysis over here. So let me keep this aside. Okay. Then we have the streptaviridin coated 96 well plate. You can see this is the streptaviridin coated 96 well plate. So guys, then we have a couple of reagents present. So let me explain the reagents. So first we have the standards. This is the CRP standard 1. Then we have the CRP standard 2. Then we have the CRP standard 3. Then we have the CRP standard 4. Then we have the CRP standard 5. Then we have the CRP standard 6. So also we have the CRP control 1. Then we have the CRP control 2. Apart from that, we have the TMB substrate. Then there is the stop solution. Then there is the CRP conjugate reagent. Then we have the wash concentrate of 20x. Then we have the CRP sample diluent. Then we have the CRP sample diluent. So there are 2 CRP sample diluents. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech HSCRP ELISA kit. As you can see, this is the entire content of the kit. So let me show you again. So this comes with the HSCRP highly sensitive C-reactive protein IFE brochure. Then we have the streptaviridin coated well plates. Then we have the certification of analysis and all the necessary reagents, control and standard for the kits. So this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech highly sensitive C-reactive protein ELISA kit. Thank you.